Guys, last few hours left, so I'm super excited for this new challenge starting from 1st of July. It's hardly few hours left for you to become a part of this challenge, and so wanted to drop this video really quick. Have you heard about this? First of all, if the answer is no, then let me know quickly. From 1st of July, I'm starting a challenge where every single day I'll come live for 1.5 hours for people enrolled into this challenge, into this part. And when I come live for these people, I'll actually guide them to work and set up their agency, which means it's more than a course where you actually would go through every single task at every single day basis model. So I'll be growing my agency, which is B for Branding Beauty, and you will be growing your agency live with me. So it's not a course; everything would be live. Let me know you. Let me guide you more through this. Next, you'll be growing I'll be growing my agency with a very new niche with everyone just like you struggling. So if you are struggling, if you are not knowing, यार इतने सारे मैंने कोर्सेज खरीद लिए, मुझे सक्सेस नहीं मिल रही है. यार आपको सक्सेस इसलिए नहीं मिल रही है बिकॉज नो वन इज आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस यू हैव. Everyone has a different set of questions and that questions need to be answered for growth. So this is what we are doing. We are trying to answer every single question of yours. क्योंकि जब हम लाइव कॉल पे होंगे and when you will be implementing with me on the call, you will be able to get a more growth in your business. So that's what we'll be doing in 50 days challenge, 15 days challenge. It's a part of 60-day master marketing course. So which means you get a access to my most premium course जहाँ पे गिफ्ट्स बहुत सारे, बोनसेस बहुत सारे, और साथ में आप 15 दिन तक मेरे साथ डेली काम करोगे टू ग्रो योर एजेंसी. और 15 दिन में जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो शायद आपकी नेक्स्ट 5 महीने की मेहनत भी नहीं ला सकती बिकॉज आप सारे क्वेश्चन मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. So this is how we'll be growing our agencies. You will be growing your agency. I'll be growing my agencies together. You will be understanding the business fundamentals of running a remote agency and outsourcing. हमारी agency completely remote है. We operate in 5 different time zones in 6 different countries. So you could understand like how many diversification we have. We have team members from all over the world, and you learn how to run this model just by sitting at home. So you could do this and on complete outsourcing जहाँ पे आप कुछ भी ना करना हो. For everything you will do the outsourcing part. Setting up the back end process, कैसे automations करनी होती है, कैसे client की वैल्यू बढ़ानी होती है, कैसे call setup करनी होती है, कैसे जो आपकी ऑलरेडी ऑटोमेशन है उससे कस्टमर की जो वैल्यू है वो बढ़ानी होती है. ये सब कुछ आप सीखोगे मेरे साथ. टेकिंग अप द चैनल्स ऑफ ग्रोथ. जब आप एजेंसी बिजनेस में होते हो तो आपको बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है. ये कोर्स खरीद लेता हूँ, ये चीज़ इंप्लीमेंट कर लेता हूँ, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होंगी. तो आप कैसे मेरे साथ इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और वो आप राइट चैनल्स ऑफ ग्रोथ पिकअप करोगे इन आर अपकमिंग वेबिनार. सॉरी, चैलेंज, 15 डेज चैलेंज. इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द स्ट्रैटेजी ऑफ क्लाइंट एक्विजिशन, जिसे मैं कहता हूँ 5 फंडामेंटल्स. 5 फंडामेंटल्स बेसिकली होता है 5 स्ट्रैटेजीज जो कोई भी इंसान कर सकता है टू ग्रो देयर बिजनेस. दैट इज व्हाट विल इम्प्लीमेंट. मैं आपको हर एक चीज़ बताऊंगा. सेटिंग अप द फनल्स टू गेट इनबाउंड क्लाइंट. आप आउटबाउंड कितना करोगे, कितना करोगे, कितना करोगे. सो इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपको ऐसे मेल्स आते रहें जैसे मैं अपने मेल्स शेड्यूल करता हूँ. हाउ टू सेट अप अ कंप्लीट फनल टू गेट इनबाउंड क्लाइंट्स. इनबाउंड क्लाइंट्स मतलब जो क्लाइंट्स को आपसे क्वेरी है, जिसको आपसे काम है, वो आपको खुद मैसेज करेंगे, खुद रीच आउट करेंगे. उसे कहते हैं इनबाउंड फनल्स. आप मेरे साथ बैठ के ऑन द 5th, 6th एंड 7th डे बैठ के ये मेरे साथ फनल सेट करोगे. ट्रेनिंग ऑफ वीएस ऑन लाइव कॉल्स टू क्रिएट अ प्रॉस्पेक्टिंग इंजन. सो मैं अपने वीए को ट्रेन करूंगा. इन द सेम प्रोसेस आप भी अपने वीएस को ट्रेन करोगे, सो दैट वो दिन भर रात भर आपके लिए क्लाइंट्स लाते रहें और आप सिर्फ क्लोजिंग का काम करो. ठीक है. ट्रेनिंग यूएस टीम, यहाँ पे इवान और शाहरुख लगे हैं, क्योंकि ये दो मेरे सेल्स टीम हेड्स हैं. सो दे विल बी ट्रेनिंग यू ऑन दिस लाइव कॉल. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग अ ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम माई यूएस ओन सेल्स टीम कि हाउ दे क्लोज क्लाइंट. क्योंकि मैं तो इंडिया में हूँ भाई, मुझे तो नहीं पता सेल्स कैसे करनी है. सो दे डू सेल्स फ्रॉम यूएस. गेटिंग द फुलफिलमेंट टीम एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स. कैसे आपको एड्स रन करने के लिए टीम हायर करनी है, कि हर एक चीज़ के लिए कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को हायर करना है, सो दैट आप अपनी लाइफ एंजॉय कर सको, आप अपना बिजनेस एंजॉय कर सको एंड अपने ग्रोथ पे फोकस कर सको. अगर आप मेरे किसी भी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का पार्ट हो गए तो आप देखते हो कि मैं बहुत ही इंस्टेंटली लाइक इन 1 hour रिप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. अगर मैं इतना सारा काम करता तो आई वुड हैव नेवर बीन एबल टू डू दैट एफिशिएंसी. और मेरे 5+ businesses आई हैव टोल्ड इन अ लॉट ऑफ माई वेबिनार्स. So you'll learn how to do everything on fulfillment teams and contractors. You'll learn setting up the scaling processes and all these sorts of automations, creating the hybrid funnel for agency. So हम लोग एक funnel use करते हैं which is called hybrid funnel. आपको शायद एक ही funnel पता होगा कि क्लाइंट को अपनी सर्विसेज बेच के पैसे कमाने होते हैं. We use the hybrid funnel which is DIY, DFY and consulting. So हम 3 funnel से पैसा कमाते हैं अपने क्लाइंट से. So our average client value somewhere tips around $2,500 to $3,500. Okay, and all the required processes and approval for agency. So अगर आप इंडिया में हो, आपको कोई भी एजेंसी में सेटिंग अप एजेंसी सेट करने में आपको बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आएगी, वो हम सब कवर करेंगे. ठीक है, you'll do all this. There are two options for you. You do all this with me or without me. I know your answer. It's with me. You want to do it with me because you want someone to guide you. I'm not a mentor. I'm not a guru. I would be implementing my business. You will be implementing your business. सीधा सा हिसाब है. आप अपनी ग्रोथ पे फोकस करोगे, मैं अपनी ग्रोथ पे फोकस करूंगा. बट हम एक दूसरे को हेल्प करेंगे जितना कर सकते हैं. We are starting the challenge from 1st of July onwards for people enrolled in 60-day Master Marketing Challenge. Everyday lives would be covered. You'll have everyday live would be there. If you miss the live session, you will have the recording where I recommend you to be a part of live sessions. You'll be getting complete team training, and always my team members would be there to support you. And you know that how well we are good at giving you the support. You'll work with me and my team members in next 60-day Master Marketing Challenge for a period of 15 days, and then constantly for next few months to get clients for your business. We are talking about getting international clients from globally. It will not be a course but a live challenge where we'll answer all your queries live and resolve it ASAP every day. So मतलब आज की जो query है वो आज ही resolve होगी, वो कल resolve नहीं होगी. ठीक है? This challenge will give you access to all my future courses. So आपको next time अगर देवव्रत कुछ भी launch करता है at a higher price as well, you get it auto enrolled into the course. So that means आपकी one time investment is for life. Okay, and all the future courses and learnings for you with just one time smallest investment I'll let you know. So the question is, are you ready to be a part of challenge? यार इतनी value दे रहा हूँ, and I'll be giving you more value. ठीक है, I'll be giving you more value. Get ready. This would be give you a lifetime support to my agency business and my affiliate marketing business, and then 60-day Master Marketing Challenge is what you need to be a part of. Okay, so you'll get all this and much more for just 15,000, but that's the market price. And I'll give you some discount. Leave this. There is a discount code that I have just created in my last webinar, and the discount code is go on devrasingh.com/go, use code agency while checkout, and you will be able to get the discounts. Now let me make this offer a no-brainer. You get access to my affiliate marketing challenge, which I did last in April month, where I started earning $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing with no emails and nothing. You get access to all this when you enroll in the challenge. I have a lot of positive review. You could go on trustpilot.com/review/b for branding.com, or either go on Google, search Devrat Singh review Trustpilot, and you'll get all my reviews. Okay, it's not a course again, but a challenge. The first 10 people enrolling in the next 24 hours, because we'll be starting the challenge from 1st of July. So you'll get a one-on-one consultation calls with me and my team members for free. We have already given softwares worth more than $350 to our enrolled members, and you will get access to all this. So if you don't believe, once you become a part of this course, or let me show you something here itself. Okay, if you don't believe, check out this message. This is yesterday's message. Okay, today's message. Yes, I feel so sad. I feel sad who don't join. They are missing so much value. This is a group that you will be a part of, and this are the I'll be sharing a software access tomorrow. Unlimited PLR products, unlimited ebooks, messages, unlimited software, unlimited graphic bundles. This access is actually available for next few hours only. Okay, next few hours only, because I'll be releasing this new software tomorrow evening or something like that. I'll be giving access to my team members. So you have 24 hours. Already I have given a software which is of $70 per month for people to actually grow their business. With just two sales, we'll make this course completely free, because we'll be teaching you how to do affiliate marketing and sell my courses only back into the business while managing your agency. This you could do on complete autopilot mode. Okay, we'll give you complete PLR products with more than rupees 30,000 plus in market value on next Wednesday, and now we have made some changes. We'll do it tomorrow itself, and we are giving a maximum of our agency templates, messages, and review on the same. Anything that we had did in the last 2 years, we are giving back to you. You get access to all our weekly doubt solving sessions for free, but for the next 15 days you are working with us. You'll get all our traffic sources. I'll burn all my money. It's a no-brainer deal. Go on devrajsingh.com/go, use code agency, get this course at 6,700. That's the best thing that you would ever invest your money in. Don't believe me, go on search Devraj Singh review test pilot and let me know. Okay, webinar with my sales head and everything. Okay, this is what my sales team member made. Okay, this is the screenshot that I posted on my Instagram. This is the screenshot that I posted on Instagram just few days back, and now we have made 11 lakh 64,000 on this account. Like, this account is owned by my sales team member. In just a period of last 48 hours, this is the amount that we made, which tells us how many people are becoming a part of this course. Okay, and if you see this, these are the leads. If you see this messages coming on my computer every single time, these are the leads that I get up for my business when I'm running. Okay, people are selecting firms here. Still thinking, take action. The link would be live. Okay, for the next 24 hours, because the training is starting from 1st of July, 7:30 p.m. This was a quick video for you. I have explained you everything. Go and take action.